Are you ready for an epic journey to explore some of the most colossal vehicles ever created? From massive trucks to awe-inspiring machines, these behemoths are sure to leave you in awe of human ingenuity and engineering prowess. So buckle up and get ready for a ride like no other. But before we delve into the world of giants, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Let's embark on this adventure together and discover the marvels of colossal engineering. Starting our list at number 10 is the iconic Hummer H1. Originally designed for military use, the Hummer H1 quickly gained popularity as a civilian vehicle due to its rugged design and impressive off-road capabilities. With its imposing size and powerful engine, the Hummer H1 is a true giant on the road, commanding attention wherever it goes. From traversing rough terrain to cruising through urban jungles, the Hummer H1 is a testament to the spirit of adventure and exploration. Despite its hefty size and rugged appearance, the Hummer H1 offers a surprisingly comfortable and luxurious interior, making it suitable for both rough off-road excursions and upscale urban cruising. Its unparalleled off-road prowess and robust construction have made it a favorite among adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. In the ninth spot, we have the Marauder. Developed by South African company Paramount Group, the Marauder is one of the world's largest and most heavily armored vehicles. Built to withstand extreme conditions and hostile environments, the Marauder is commonly used by military forces and security agencies around the world. In addition to its impressive armor and size, the Marauder boasts exceptional versatility, capable of fulfilling various roles such as troop transport, reconnaissance, and even mine clearance. With its massive size and formidable armor, the Marauder is a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield, providing protection and mobility in even the most challenging situations. Coming in at number 8 is the Boeing 727 Jet Limo. As one of the most unique and luxurious vehicles ever created, the Boeing 727 Jet Limo combines the elegance of a private jet with the convenience of a luxury limousine. Converted from a retired Boeing 727 aircraft, this extraordinary vehicle features plush seating, state-of-the-art entertainment systems, and even a fully stocked bar. With its sleek design and unparalleled comfort, the Boeing 727 Jet Limo offers a truly unforgettable experience for those lucky enough to ride in it. At number 7, we have the Wazat. As its name suggests, the Wazat is a truly unique and unconventional vehicle that defies categorization. The Wazat is a combination of a motorhome, boat, and off-road vehicle. With its massive size and rugged construction, the Wazat is capable of traversing almost any terrain, from deserts to mountains to rivers. Whether exploring the remote wilderness or embarking on epic adventures, the Wazat is the ultimate vehicle for those seeking freedom and exploration. Taking the 6th spot is Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan's Jeep Wrangler Giant Spider. Owned by a member of the Abu Dhabi royal family, this custom-built Jeep Wrangler is unlike anything you've ever seen before. With its 8 massive wheels and spider-like appearance, the Giant Spider is a true marvel of engineering and design. Built for off-road exploration and extreme conditions, this extraordinary vehicle is a symbol of wealth and extravagance, demonstrating the limitless possibilities of automotive customization. Coming in hot at number 5 is the Terrabus. As one of the largest and most capable off-road vehicles in the world, the Terrabus is designed to transport passengers through the most rugged and inhospitable terrain imaginable. With its massive size and powerful engine, the Terrabus can navigate rocky mountains, icy tundra, and even dense forests with ease. Used in remote areas and harsh environments around the world, the Terrabus is a lifeline for communities and adventurers alike, providing safe and reliable transportation where other vehicles dare not tread. At number 4, we have the Belaze 75710. As one of the largest dump trucks in the world, the Belaze 75710 is a true giant of the mining industry. With its massive size and staggering payload capacity, this behemoth is capable of hauling hundreds of tons of material in a single load. Powered by a diesel-electric powertrain, the Belaze 75710 is as efficient as it is powerful, making it a valuable asset for mining operations around the world. From coal mines to copper mines to iron ore mines, the Belaze 75710 is a vital tool for extracting valuable resources from the earth. The Bell AZ-75710's impressive capabilities and efficiency contribute to increased productivity and cost-effectiveness for mining companies, allowing them to extract and transport materials more efficiently than ever before. Its advanced technology and robust construction ensure reliable performance even in the most challenging operating conditions, making it a trusted workhorse in the mining industry. Taking the bronze medal is the Caterpillar 797B. As one of the largest and most powerful mining trucks in the world, the Caterpillar 797B is a true workhorse of the mining industry. With its massive size and immense hauling capacity, this behemoth is capable of transporting hundreds of tons of material in a single trip. Powered by a massive diesel engine, the Caterpillar 797B can navigate steep inclines and rough terrain with ease, making it an indispensable tool for mining operations in remote and challenging environments. The Caterpillar 797B's robust design and advanced engineering make it well-suited for the demanding conditions of mining sites, where durability and reliability are paramount. Its impressive payload capacity and efficient operation contribute to increased productivity and cost-effectiveness for mining companies around the world. In the runner-up position, we have the Burlak. As one of the largest and most powerful icebreakers in the world, the Burlak is a true giant of the Arctic seas. Built to withstand the extreme cold and harsh conditions of the polar regions, the Burlak is capable of breaking through thick ice and navigating treacherous waters with ease. With its massive size and formidable ice-breaking capabilities, the Burlak plays a vital role in maintaining shipping routes and ensuring safe passage for vessels in the Arctic. The Burlak's immense power and robust construction make it a crucial asset for Arctic exploration and commerce, facilitating access to remote areas and enabling economic activities in the region. Its ability to navigate through frozen waters opens up new opportunities for resource extraction, scientific research, and maritime transportation in the Arctic. And finally, claiming the coveted top spot is the Dodge Power Wagon. As one of the largest and most rugged trucks in the world, the Dodge Power Wagon is a lifeline for communities in the far reaches of challenging terrains. With its massive size and powerful engine, this behemoth is capable of traversing rugged landscapes and harsh conditions with ease, providing essential transportation for residents and travelers alike. From remote villages to off-road expeditions, the Dodge Power Wagon is a symbol of resilience and perseverance in the face of extreme conditions. Well, there you have it, folks. The world's biggest vehicles. From massive trucks to unconventional creations, these behemoths are a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming big.